Greetings to all. Welcome to the Vishal's LLB channel. In this lecture, it is discussed about the concept of property, classification of property, and introduction to intellectual property rights, etc. Coming to the definition of the property, in general sense, property is any physical or virtual entity that is owned by an individual or jointly by a group of individuals. There are some traditional principles related to property rights, which includes control over the use of the property, right to take any benefit from the property, right to transfer or sell the property, right to exclude others from the property. In this slide, we can see how the property is classified. Basically, property is classified as private property and public property, or it is classified as tangible property or intangible property. Tangible property is again classified as movable property and immobile property, and intangible property is classified as intellectual property, right to individual reputation, and the third one is securities. Again, intellectual property is classified as patent, copyright, industrial design, and trade secret. In this slide, we can see that again intellectual property right is divided into industrial property and literary property. Industrial property is again classified as patents, trademarks, industrial designs, and layout designs, etc. And patents are again classified as product patent and process patent. And literary property is classified as copyright and neighboring rights. Neighboring rights are again classified as performers' right and broadcasting rights. Here we can see the definition of intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights are the rights given to persons over the creation of their minds, inventions, literary and artistic works, and symbols, names, and images used in commerce. They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his creation for a certain period of time. సో ఇక్కడ ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే, ఎవరన్నా తమ క్రియేటివిటీ ద్వారా ఏదన్నా ఇన్వెన్షన్స్ని, కొత్త వాటిని కానివ్వండి, సాహిత్యాన్ని కానివ్వండి, ఆర్టిస్టిక్ వర్క్స్ కానివ్వండి, సింబల్స్ కానివ్వండి, నేమ్స్ కానీ, ఇమేజెస్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ బిజినెస్, కామర్స్లో కానివ్వండి, గనక వాళ్ళ క్రియేటివిటీ ద్వారా ఇన్వెంట్ చేసినట్లయితే వాటికి ఏవైతే రైట్స్ గ్రాంట్ చేస్తామో దాన్ని ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్ అంటారు. యూజువల్గా ఎవరైతే ఈ క్రియేట్ చేశారో పైన చెప్పిన వాటికి అన్ని, పైన చెప్పిన ఇన్వెన్షన్స్ని కానివ్వండి, లిటరరీ, ఆర్టిస్టిక్ కానీ, సింబల్స్ కానీ, నేమ్స్ కానీ, ఎవరైతే తమ క్రియేటివిటీ ద్వారా క్రియేట్ చేశారో వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ రైట్ అనేది, వాటి మీద, వాళ్ళ క్రియేషన్ మీద ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ రైట్ అనేది కొంత పీరియడ్ వరకు ఇవ్వబడుతుంది. దాన్ని ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్ అంటాం. ఇన్ ది స్లైడ్ వీ కెన్ సీ different kinds of IPRs and duration of protections and registration. Coming to patent, the duration of protection is 20 years, registration is compulsory. Plant variety is 18 years, registration compulsory. Copyright life and 60 years, optional. Trademark 10 years and renewable, registration is optional. Designs 10 plus 5 years, registration is compulsory. Trade secrets as long as kept, no registration is necessary. Integrated circuits, duration of protection is 10 years and registration is compulsory. And GIs, geographical indications, duration of protection is 10 years plus renewal, registration is compulsory. సో ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐపీఆర్స్ అనేవి, వాటి ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ వరకు ఉంటుంది, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కంపల్సరీ అవునా కాదా అనేది ఈ చార్ట్లో చూడొచ్చు. Here we can see the different kinds of intellectual properties. The first one is patents. Patent, it protects inventions, and inventions must contain 3 attributes: novelty, useful, and non-obvious. Non-obvious means not easily discovered. And duration for protection of patent is 20 years. And patent may be of product patent and process patent. and the protection is available nationally and internationally, and the rights granted under the Patent Act are not absolute. And the next one is protection of new plant varieties. Protection is available to new improved varieties of plants, and International Convention for Protection of New Varieties of Plants 1991 enables protection of plant breeders' rights. And Indian law, there is an Indian law, that is the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001, and it enables registration and protection of new varieties subject to novelty, distinctiveness, uniformity and stability. And the next intellectual property right is trademarks. It includes trade names, service marks, etc. And the purpose of trademarks is distinguishing the goods and services, standard and goodwill, consumer protection, etc. But for trademarks, registration is not compulsory. The protection, initially the protection is for 10 years. Next one is industrial designs. A cell phone size is an example for industrial designs. A cell phone size, shape, color and overall look owes its look to industrial design. And owner have a registered industrial design and has exclusive right against the unauthorized copying or imitation of the design. And the protection for this intellectual property is 10 plus 5 years. And the next one is geographical indications. This apply to goods of agricultural goods, natural and manufactured, etc. And the best examples for geographical indications is China silk, Mysore silk, Pochampalli sari, and Mysore sandalwood soap, Kullu shal, Tirupati laddu, etc. So geographical indications apply to particular products having particular characteristics closely identified with and due to their geographic place. And the next one is copyright. For this, registration is not compulsory. Initially the rights are vested in authors, that means creators, and copyright protects expressions of an idea. So it protects literary, artistic, musical, dramatic works and computer works apart from photographs and cinematograph works. Intellectual property laws available in India. There are different kinds of legislations for the protection of intellectual property rights. Those are the Trademarks Act 1999, the Patents Act 1970 as amended in 1999, 2003 and 2005, and the Copyright Act 1957 as amended in 2012, and the Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Protection Act 2001, the Designs Act 2000, and the Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999, etc. This is all about the introduction of intellectual property rights and the intellectual property rights which are available, and different kinds of legislations which are available in India, etc. are discussed in this session.